Model, 68 Plate Citroen Berlingo 625 Enterprise 1.6 HDI needs head gasket repair. Top spec Euro 6 No Vat. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 192677. Engine, 1560 cc DV6 FE. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, tries to fire, head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing whilst cranking. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, air-con, parking sensors, electric windows, cruise control. Euro status, Ulez compliant.